Namaste student. Today's our topic is anti-competitive settlement of intellectual property disputes. The overwhelming majority of intellectual property lawsuits settle before trial. These settlements involve agreements between the patentee and the accused infringer, parties who are often competitors before the lawsuit, because these competitors may agree to stop competing, to regulate the price each charges, and to exchange information about products and prices. Settlements of intellectual property disputes naturally raise antitrust concern. We suggest a way to reconcile the interests of intellectual property law and antitrust law in evaluating intellectual property settlements. In part 1, we provide background on the issue. Part 7 argues that in most cases, court can determine the legality of a settlement agreement without inquiring into the merits of the intellectual property disputes being settled, either because the settlement would be legal even if the patent were invalid or not infringed, or because the settlement would be illegal even if the patent were valid and infringed. Only in a narrow class of cases will the merits of the intellectual property dispute matter. In part 3, we argue that in that rather court must inquire into the validity, enforceability and infringement issues in the underlying cases, with particular sensitivity to both the type of IPR right as issued and the industrial contents of the dispute. In part 4, we apply our framework to a number of common settlement terms, most notably the use of exclusion payments to settle pharmaceutical patent dispute. We argue that exclusion payment that exceed litigation cost should be deemed illegal per se. There is no legitimate reason for such payments, and the most likely reason to permit the patentee to exclude competition that would likely have occurred absent the payment is anti-competitive. Further, legitimate patent disputes can be settled in other ways that with an exclusion payment, for example, by licensing the defendant or by agreeing to delay entry. Thank you so much.